Hello to all DIY lovers. Today we're going to show you how to replace a broken handle on your PVC door. First we need to remove the broken handle from the door. There are two slots at the top and the bottom of the handle base. Hold them and rotate the front cover of the handle base 90 degrees to access the screws. There are two Phillips screws that need to be removed using a Phillips screwdriver. To reach the bottom screw, open the handle, pull the door inward with one hand and unscrew the bottom screw with the other hand. Then close the door and remove the top screw. Once both screws are fully removed, the handle and its spindle will come off the door. Prepare two new screws and just like before, rotate the cover of the new handle to access the screw holes. Now insert the new handle spindle into the door. If it doesn't fit properly, remove the handle to open the door and then insert the spindle again. Hold the door with one hand, insert the top screw with the other, and tighten it slightly so it catches. Then close the door and fully tighten the top screw. To install the bottom screw, open the handle again, hold the door, and tighten the bottom screw until it's secure. Finally, check the handle's function, then rotate the front cover back into its proper position. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Support us by liking the video and make sure to follow our page. If you have any questions, we'll be waiting for you in the comments. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.